Alright, welcome. For this session, we're going to go into how to open an investor account and then be able to see how to attach our account to good traders or good managers that can trade on our behalf. Before you get to this session, you would have opened a profile like I did in the previous session. Right now, your intent is to open an investor account. So you come over here to click on investor account, and when you click on it, just wait a little bit. Okay, good, it's opened. Right now we do not have an investor account. You can see here that we have open MAM Investor account. What it means is multi-account management for investors. And by the side you see open MAM Investor account. This is actually talking about multi-account copiers in a MAM Investor account. Before you go ahead to do that, I would like to show you a number of MAM managers. Alright, you can see here that we have MAM managers with different account numbers. Okay, for this purpose, let's limit it to MAM managers alone. And so I'll come here and click Admiral MAM managers, and then immediately they are reshuffled and only the MAM managers are available for me to see. Alright, you would notice that all of them have different profits and different drawdown percentage, or both of them in percentage. Alright, you can see that they have different followers, number of followers. Alright, so as an investor, it is important that you look at the maximum drawdown if it fits into your risk appetite. Alright, don't be blinded by the profit potential that they produce. It is important that you look at the maximum drawdown that they've actually incurred in. Alright, so you look at them, and you look at this place, you see the experience is how long they've been trading is also very important. Alright, so the first you look at is the maximum drawdown to check if the ones that actually have low drawdowns, and then look at the profit potentials, and then look at the amount, the number of days they've been trading, their experience. Alright, also you can look at how many people they have following them. Alright, okay, so let's go ahead now and then open the MAM Investor account. All you need to do is click on open MAM Investor account, just like I did, and then you can see, alright, you just put in your phone password, alright, and then you click I confirm and hereby acknowledge. Alright, once you click I confirm that all information provided herein is true and complete, and I accept customer agreement and terms of business, and then you need to click on I hereby acknowledge that I have read, understood, and consent to all statements listed in Admiral MAM regulations. Please, it is important that you go ahead and read all of these terms, alright, before you click on open an account. Alright, so but for this purpose we are going to go ahead and click on it, and then we have our account open. Wow, right, the account is open immediately. Please note that these same details will be sent to your email address. It will be sent to your inbox. Alright, so we already have our MAM Investor account open. Okay, so also let me say here that you can open more than one MAM Investor account. You can decide to open more than one MAMI account if you intend sharing your risk. We usually will advise clients with huge funds to open more than one MAMI account, and then be able to attach their funds, to different traders that they want to trade on their behalf. Just like you can see on the screen right now, we have one account, all right, with account number 805365 already attached to a manager, and you can see that it's activated. All right, so for this account here, it is yet to be connected to a manager, and as you can see, it is written there, no connection to manager. So we'll go right away to attach this account. Okay, we'll go ahead and attach this account to a manager. And how do we do that? You click on account option. When you click on account option, there will be a drop down, okay, and then you can see that this subscribe here under MAM Investor options is highlighted, is live, is active. Okay, so you go ahead and click on subscribe. Please don't be confused to say that aren't you subscribing to MAM Investor options. No, it is not. Right now you are under the MAM Investor account, and so when you click on subscribe, you are actually going to be put into that position where you would be able to connect to a MAM manager. Okay, and as I have clicked it, you can see here, right here, that the two options you have is manager's account. In other words, you are required to input the manager you've chosen, his account number, and then I'm going to do that right now. Okay, okay, that is that. And then we'll have drawdown limit. This is actually referring to how much you can afford to risk on this fund. All right, it is actually based on your risk appetite, what you can afford to risk in order for you to earn. This is important for all of our investors to understand. As an investor or as someone that intends for another person to trade on your behalf, you should be willing to risk some certain amount. Some of us are aggressive and some of us are very conservative, so it depends on your personality and your person. So for this person, he is willing to go for 50%. all right. And so if you've done that, imputing the manager account and your drawdown limit, this drawdown limit means that if something happens and the manager is not on top of his game, or something happened beyond his control, and the loss on the trading account, as in this particular trading account, the 500, all right, reaches 250. If the loss on this account reaches 250 and wants to go beyond 250, the manager will be automatically cut off, all right, from trading this account. The account will be taken off automatically by our system, and so the investor will still have 250 in his account, all right. And so once you've done that, all you just need to do is to click what? You click save, as I am doing right now. Okay, it said connection status has been sent. Okay, good. So you can see here that this one that we just did now, the connection we just did now, is pending. All right, so we're gonna wait for maybe about 15 minutes if the manager is not on any trade. Okay, so we've done the connection for this account. It is as simple as that. All right, so we've come to the end of how to connect MAMI